Hi there, students. Intrinsically. So, intrinsically means of something's basic nature, in itself, essentially. So, this is talking about the basic essence of something. For example, she values that gold ring very highly because it belonged to her mother. But intrinsically, its only real value is the value of the gold in the ring. So the essential internal value is the value of the gold, although she adds other things to that, to the value. There is always the debate, are people intrinsically good or bad? Are they good or evil? It depends on your view of life. What do you think? Do you think the intrinsic nature of man is good or bad? So, intrinsic, by its nature, basically, fundamentally, internally, something that is inseparable from the object in itself. It doesn't depend on external factors. So a computer intrinsically is based on mathematics. The essential center of a computer is just mathematics. Pronunciation in English is very difficult. It's intrinsically difficult because there are no clear rules. There are so many exceptions that makes it intrinsically difficult to do. Is a language intrinsically based on grammar? Well, English certainly isn't. The grammar in English is based on what people actually say. So English grammar is intrinsically based on usage, not on rules. Okay? So intrinsically, the center of something, the very nature of something, the part of something that will not be cannot be removed from it. So intrinsically, these videos are to help you learn your English, or maybe I have there are other intrinsic motivations from me about why I make them. So if you think about motivation, maybe somebody does something good, but intrinsically they want other people to see and love them, and that's maybe why they do it. Yeah, think about the intrinsic motivation of people. So intrinsic, from inside. I haven't looked up the origin of this word, but I'm sure somebody would oblige me and add that to the comments section. Now the next question, formality. I think this word is slightly formal. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although I think I might use the word basically. So this is basically very easy. It's intrinsically very easy. I think intrinsically sounds a bit more formal. Intrinsic is good for a semi-formal or very formal writing or something like that. So it's not intrinsically formal. You could use it in an informal context, but it's more suitable for a more formal context. So intrinsically, by its very nature, the way that it is fundamentally, the base of something. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Intrinsically.